Priang sngap hai phi paralok baroh kiba ju sngewtynnat ban peit ban sngap ya kane ka channel. Kawai ka jingkerpat na phi ba sngap ha kerja nyenga da kaba pi share bad like ya kane ka video. Sakawai ru subscribe ya kane ka channel na ka bynta ki videos ki ban sawan ha kane ka channel. Haka English, what was life like in paradise? Haka khasi kajing im haka paradise kalong kabakumno. What was life like in paradise? Kajing im haka paradise kalong kabakumno. What was life like in paradise? Kajing im haka paradise kalong kabakumno. Haka English, a Bible was needed that was easy to understand. La don kam yaka Bible kabasuk ban snothu. A Bible was needed that was easy to understand. La don kam ya ka Bible kabasuk ban snothu. A Bible was needed that was easy to understand. La don kam ya ka Bible kabasuk ban snothu. Haka English, understand. Haka khasi sngewthu. Kenmau ya kane understand kamun sngewthu haka khasi. Understand sngewthu. Haka English, needed. Haka khasi don kam. Needed don kam. Kenmau ya kane needed kamut don kam haka khasi. Haka English, in my opinion, the meeting was a success. Haka khasi, haka jing perkhat jonga ka meeting ka long kaba seiso. In my opinion, the meeting was a success. Haka jing perkhat jonga ka meeting ka long kaba seiso. In my opinion, the meeting was a success. Haka jing perkhat jonga ka meeting ka long kaba seiso. Haka English, success. Haka khasi seiso. Kenmau ya kane success kamut seiso haka khasi. Success seiso. Haka English, my opinion. Haka khasi jing perkhat jonga. Kenmau ya kane my opinion kamun jing perkhat jonga. Haka English, she said that she was full. Haka khasi ka ong ba kala kedang. She said that she was full. Ka ong ba kala kedang. Kenmau ya kane she said that she was full kamun ka ong ba kala kedang. Haka khasi. In English, he was right to keep silent. Haka khasi u dei hok baun sngap jar. He was right to keep silent. U dei hok baun sngap jar. Kenmau ya kane he was right to keep silent. Kemun u dei hok baun sngap jar. Haka khasi. Haka English, to keep silent. Haka khasi ban sngap jar. To keep silent. Ban sngap jar. Kenmau ya kane to keep silent kamun ban sngap jar. Haka English, silent. Haka khasi sngap jar. Kenmau haka English kamut silent. Haka khasi silent kamut sngap jar. Silent sngap jar. Haka English, that was unfortunate. Haka khasi kata kalong kaba snewbok. That was unfortunate. Kata kalong kaba snewbok. Kenmau ya kane that was unfortunate kamut kata kalong kaba snewbok haka khasi. That was unfortunate. Kata kalong kaba snewbok. Haka English, I was looking for the barber shop. Haka khasi, nga dangwat dukan khap snyo. I was looking for the barber shop. Nga dangwat dukan khap snyo. Kan mau ya kene? I was looking for the barber shop. Kamut nga dangwat dukan khap snyo. In English, barber shop. In khasi, dukan khap snyo. Barber shop, dukan khap snyo. Haka English, book shop. Haka khasi, dukan kot. Book shop, dukan kot. Kan mau ya kene? Bookshop kamut, dukan kot haka khasi. Haka English, I was just making sure. Haka khasi, nga shupen thikna. I was just making sure. Kamut, nga shupen thikna haka khasi. Kan mau ya kene? I was just making sure. Kamut, nga shupen thikna haka khasi. Haka English, let me go. Haka khasi, I bangan lek. Kan mau ya kene? Let me go. Kamut, I bangan lek. Let me go. I bangan lek. Haka English, let me play. Haka khasi, I bangan yale kai. Kan mau ya kene? Haka khasi ngiong, I bangan yale kai. Haka English kiong, let me play. Let me play, I bangan yale kai. Haka English, let me speak. Haka khasi, I bangan keren. Let me speak, I bangan keren. I bangan keren, let me speak. Kan mau ya kene? Let me speak kamut I bangan keren haka khasi. Haka English, let me sing. Haka khasi, I bangan ruai. Let me sing, I bangan ruai. I bangan ruai, let me sing. Kan mau ya kene? Let me sing kamut I bangan ruai haka khasi. Haka English, let me come. Haka khasi, I bangan wan. Haka khasi, I bangan wan. Haka English, let me come. Kan mau ya kene? Let me come kamut I bangan wan haka khasi. Haka English, let me dance. Haka khasi, I bangan shat. Haka khasi, I bangan shat. Haka English, let me dance. Kan mau ya kene? Let me dance kamut I bangan shat. Haka English, let me sit. Haka khasi, I bangan shong. Let me sit, I bangan shong. I bangan shong, let me sit. Kan mau ya kene? Let me sit kamut I bangan shong. In English, let me eat. In khasi, I bangan bam. Haka khasi, I bangan bam. Haka English, let me eat. Let me eat, I bangan bam. Haka English, let me learn. Haka khasi, I bangan pule. Let me learn, I bangan pule. Haka khasi, I bangan pule. Haka English, let me learn. Kan mau ya kene? Let me learn kamun I bangan pule haka khasi. Kan mau ya kene? Haka English, learn. Haka khasi, pule. Haka English, eat. Haka khasi, bam. Haka English, sit. Haka khasi, shong. Haka English, dance. Haka khasi, shot. haka English come, haka khasi one, haka English sing, haka khasi ruai, haka English speak, haka khasi kran, haka English play, haka khasi yale kai, haka English go, haka khasi leng, haka English sure, haka khasi thikna, haka English shop, haka khasi dukan. Kane ka weng akwa ban pentip syapi ba lada don gi kintin ki ba pikwa pentip ya kamining singa ba pentip syanga lang ba ka comment box tho yaki haka comment box bat ngan saat yaki haka video ya ka bamta tang hang ni hi ngen sekendo haka wei pat ka video ta kumbang laju ong ipi man la ka por singa ba kersan nga da ka ba pi share bat da ka ba pi like ya ka ni ka video sakaweru waram klet ban subscribe ya ka ni ka channel na ka banta ki videos ki ban sawan haka ni ka channel bat ban yu ishwa yaki videos ki bangan sa upload ha ka channel. So take care of yourself and keep on learning.